Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. We have a polynomial equation with some complex coefficient I, that is x cubed equals I. We want to find three roots of this polynomial equation. Actually, we want to find all three cube roots of I. Let's begin with calling this x is equal to a plus bi. Any complex number can be written as a plus bi. Then plugging into the equation, we will have a plus bi cubed is equal to I. Now, using cube formulas, we will have a cubed plus 3a squared bi plus 3a bi squared and plus bi cubed is equal to I. There's a lot of work here actually. Then simplifying, we will have a cubed plus we have 3a squared bi here plus this bi squared is b squared I squared. Let's write here bi squared is b squared I squared, and I squared is -1, so this is negative b squared. So we have negative, let's check here, let's clear here and write negative 3a b squared, and this bi cubed is b cubed I cubed, and this is equal to negative b cubed I, since I cubed is equal to negative I. This is I squared times I, and I squared is -1, so this is equal to negative I. So we have negative b cubed I is equal to I. This is nice. Let's group some terms. The real part of the left hand side is a cubed and this negative 3a b squared. Let's write this too. A cubed minus 3a b squared is the real part, and the imaginary parts are 3a squared bi, which is 3a squared b, minus b cubed times I is equal to I. That's it. We have found the final equation here. Now, my friends, if two complex numbers are equal, then their real parts, here we have real parts, a cubed minus 3ab squared, let's write, is equal to the real part of the right hand side, but here we have no real part, so this is equal to 0. And the imaginary part of the left hand side, which is 3a squared b minus b cubed, is equal to the imaginary part of the right hand side, which is 1 times I. This is, so we have a system, we have a two variable system to be solved for a and b. Let's begin now. From the first equation, we have a times a squared minus 3b squared is equal to 0. Then whether a is equal to 0 or a squared is equal to 3b squared. Let's just this remain like that, and this one. Now the first condition is if a is equal to 0, then we have the second equation is 3a squared b minus b cubed 3a squared b minus b cubed is equal to 1. So since a is equal to 0, this will be 0 minus b cubed is equal to 1. Then b cubed is equal to negative 1 and b is negative 1. Since a and b are real numbers, we just found the real solution to b cubed is equal to negative 1. So b is negative 1 and the result here is x is equal to a plus bi, then x is equal to 0 plus negative 1 times I, which is x is equal to negative I. The first solution to our equation is negative I from the first situation. Let's move on. The second situation is a squared is equal to 3b squared. If a squared is equal to 3 times b squared, then our second equation that was 3 times a squared b minus b cubed is equal to 1 turns into 3 times 3b squared times b minus b cubed is equal to 1. Then we have 9b cubed minus b cubed is equal to 1. And we have 8b cubed is equal to 1. B cubed is equal to 1. 8 and b is equal to 1/2. B is equal to 1/2 from the second situation. We have b is equal to 1/2, and if b is equal to 1/2, if b is equal to 1/2 gives a squared is equal to 3b squared. So a squared is equal to 3 times 1/2 squared, which is 3 times 1/4, that is 3/4. So from this a is equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. Whether positive or negative, root 3 divided by 2, and b is equal to 1/2, then the result here is x is equal to a plus bi, that is x is equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by 2 plus 1/2 times I. And these two are the other roots to our original equation, x cubed equal to I. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.